Today I'd like to talk about how flexible working needs flexible space. Over the last few years, we've heard a huge amount about flexible working. We've heard about it in lots of different contexts, but what actually does it mean? That word flexibility can mean many different things within the workforce. We hear about contractual flexibility, people on part-time jobs, whether that's part of a day, part of a week, or even part of a year. We hear about time flexibility. When was the last time any of us worked 9 to 5? And finally, there's locational flexibility. Where are you actually doing your work? Is it from home, from an office, from another remote location? Whether that's permanent or on a temporary basis. So what we find today in organizations is that there's a multiplicity of arrangements across the workforce. So for organizations, determining the number of people in the organization is difficult enough, let alone working out where and when they actually might need to work. And it's not only the workforce that needs to be accommodated, but there are also contractors, clients, and others who will visit the buildings. So those that are in charge of providing the workplace need to determine how much space and what type and where that needs to be. Workplaces today need to be like a sponge of the organization, expanding to absorb the people when necessary. The idea of one desk and one person is almost impossible these days and absolutely unproductive for organizations. For those organizations that still have that model, what they find is that no more than 60% of their desks are occupied at any time, even in peak periods. So what we need is a new model that recognizes the mobility of workers and the ability through technology to work in many locations. So what is the role of an office today? Yes, it's a place to work, but it's also a place to meet. And what most organizations now find is that the highest demand for space in office is actually meeting rooms and informal breakout areas. Secondly, it's a place to greet. It's the shop window of the organization, not only for clients and guests, but actually for the staff themselves. It's also a place to eat. When you're in the office, you want to make the most of your time, and you also want to build those social connections as well as those work connections. And that leads me on to the final point, that actually an office is a place to belong. For many organizations who have lots of remote workers, what they want is a place they can retreat to, the coming home effect, reinforcing the brand and the values of the organization. So just like people wanting more flexibility, offices are now designed to manage and support that flexibility. Flexible working definitely needs flexible space.